Hey my loves, welcome back to another video on zone cleaning. For those of you who are new, I'm Raveena Singh and I released my own home management planner at the beginning of 2020. This planner is specifically designed for keeping track of your home, keeping it clean, organized, and it also includes meal planning. In this system, your home is broken down into 6 zones for ease and efficiency. Today, as it is Tuesday, we will be dealing with Zone 2. This includes the entryway, the living room, and the home office or study area. In my last zone cleaning video, we tackled Zone 1, so if you want to watch that, you can click on the card above. If you are enjoying this series, do let me know in the comments below. I love cleaning with you all and organizing our homes together. This is a high traffic area. Visitors, friends, relatives, and even delivery people come and go, and then our family, children, adults, and the elderly also frequent these areas. With the current scare and the emphasis on keeping our surroundings clean and disinfected, I personally feel that Zone 2 requires a lot of attention. We have had a lot of people visit us in the last 2 weeks of our bereavement, so deep cleaning this area is necessary. I would like to redecorate with some of my mom's decor pieces and organize as I clean our home. As always, I start from the highest traffic area, which in this case is the entryway. Our entryway is in desperate need of some TLC and a new rug, but all that will have to wait until the lockdown is lifted and things go back to normal, hopefully soon. Now this narrow cabinet here acts as a divider between our foyer and living room. We use this as a launch pad for our family, which serves as a pickup point as we grab stuff when we leave the house. The only other piece of furniture here is this armoire. I will show you the inside when I declutter it, as it holds many old decor pieces I need to give away. I would definitely like to put this armoire to better use. Now moving across the living room, I'm going to clean the TV cabinet. At this stage, it is important to clean and to disinfect, so I'm just going to use this homemade disinfectant spray. For the decor, I'm going with something very simple. A vignette in the middle of a tray, a book and the cable TV decoder stacked up with a little plant on top prevents the decoder from sticking out. I prefer to integrate these into the decor instead of hiding the necessary items. When you clean, don't forget to disinfect the remote controls as well. There is one more tip I would like to share with you. If you have pebbles or stones holding a potted plant in place, an easy way to clean is to stick your vacuum cleaner in between the stones and to run it along the stems to pull out any collected dust there. The seating area has gone through a makeover because we rotated the carpet, elongating and opening up the area instead of having 2 separate sections. One of the main reasons we opened up this area is to add my mom's sofa from my parents' private sitting room, or what I call the ladies' chamber, to our living room. I like that the sofa mom's always sat on is here when we are here. It gives me a sense of mom being present and here with us. I'm just removing the sofa cushions and vacuuming up any crumbs or dust. Her footstool and side stool are also here. I do notice that my dad still sits next to her spot. and Paul usually helps me vacuum the carpet behind and underneath the sofas. I have these IKEA baskets here. These 4 baskets collect our things until we are ready to do the needful. The first one has our recycling items, which at this point are these bulbs we just changed. Here we have a basket with clothes that need to be dry cleaned, so this is where the runner goes. And this one here has things we want to drop off for donation. And the last one, which is currently empty, is meant for items we wish to return to friends or to the store. On this side, to begin with, we have some coffee table books. I like leaving these on the coffee or side table, not just as decor, but instead for my dad and guests to flip through and enjoy. I have recently started keeping a pack of cards and a board game or 2 here, so it's easy to access when we want to play. Recently, we've been playing a lot of Scrabble. I also might consider keeping a few more games here if these games nights become a lockdown staple. And this little bowl here is just for any snacks we have on hand for the evening. Below that, I have a gift I need to deal with, and I also keep paper bags in here. As I said, this is our launch pad, so it's very easy to grab a bag from here as we leave the house to take along the dry cleaning or returns. As an alternative, I also have kept some plastic bags if preferred. I also had to buy a stack of these paper bags because the striped print matches my entryway stand so perfectly. And this is what I call a perfectly coordinated coincidence. Although this is an umbrella stand, we actually keep our grocery or trolley bags in here. And since it fits so well in this corner of the entrance, I consider it a wonderful solution. Next, I'm moving on to tackling the more needy area, my desk and work area. The ground floor is our kitchen and dining room, and we do have an empty area which I use as my home office. This is where I edit my videos, blog, plan meals, and do all my home management related tasks. The main focus for now is to organize my stationery and reference materials, planners, and some of my craft tools. I'm doing it this week because it's also in the planner in about 2 days' time, so I might as well do the whole thing together while I'm at it. If you have seen my entertainment cabinet where I keep my silverware and crockery, you would have seen that I'm using a Besto, which I brought along from my previous home office in our apartment. Since this has been in storage for the last 6 months, I want to give it a good cleaning and disinfecting. The next step is to get some help collecting all the stuff to be decluttered, sorted, organized, and put away. I have a variety of things here, which I keep, including my folders, laminator, and label maker, a bunch of scrapbooking stuff, and lots of printer paper, white and colored. Now that everything is put away, it's time to wipe and disinfect the desk. Remember to wipe down the mousepad, switches, and cords too. Well, my loves, I hope I have motivated you to do some cleaning and decluttering. I will be tackling more areas tomorrow, so let me know if you'd like to join me. Till then, be safe and make the best of your time at home. And this is Raveena saying, happy homemaking.